Your party has said that let's stand with the government and be united. How do you see this?
See, it is a very serious, shocking incident for the entire country, and the entire world is looking at it. It is an important place. Any terrorist attacks, especially on issues of religion, is very bad for any country. As a Congress party, I would like to condemn it, and already my party has committed that we will stand by the government to see that we close this outfits, and we have to take immediate serious action to see that none of these outfits exists, wherever, from whichever country they are. I appeal to the central government to call a all-party meeting also in this, because it not only affects the bias, it affects the international relationship, the confidence on this country, on tourists and all common man. I am not worried about one or two of Karnataka. It is as a whole of the country. We immediately from Karnataka side, we have sent our my colleague Mr. Santosh. He is just my CM has deputed him. We will try to take the stock of the situation, help our victims. Just now I spoke to the family members of the victim, and all my police, local district ministers from Shivamogga and the district administration is also they visited the house and tried to console them. But whatever has happened. But the BJP national government should see that you act immediately, try to say the culprit, see that they are being booked under the law, and action should be taken. And we should restore peace in Kashmir. So this is now I think whatever the confidence has to be restored to the people in this country should also be there. After this various amendments which has been done, I think this is the first time such things has happened. And the number is too high. It is when one or two, there is a different case. And taking the name of the religion and doing it, this is the first time which I can't believe myself that where we are going, where this country is going at. I feel sorry. At the same time, for all the family members, pray God to sustain the loss of the loved ones, family members.
So do you
we stand united with them. Our prayer stands solid with them.
So do you also feel there is an intelligence failure because some of the...
I don't want to comment much on that. Now I have requested, I appeal to call an all-party meeting, and my leaders are there. They are also very much concerned. My party is concerned. We don't want to do politics in this. We want country to be safeguarded.
Congress has called the CWC emergency meetings.
That is what I am telling you. We are on the job on this.